So today we're working on a little hot water issue that my customer saying that they're having with their shower faucet. So they don't get any cold water is what they're saying. We're gonna go in there, look at it. A lot of times when this happens, where you're getting nothing but hot water, or it's going from hot to cold to hot to cold, a lot of that is just indication of a mixing problem. And if you have a single handle Moen, like any kind of single handle cartridge or a single handle shower faucet, it's going to mix as you go from hot to cold. All you really have to do in that case is just replace the cartridge. If so, pop that cartridge out, put a new one in, and we'll be good to go. So let's go. So like I said, anytime you're having, you're not sure why you're just getting only hot water, or sometimes, like I said, it'll just be fluctuating from hot to cold. A lot of times that's due to a mixing problem, which is in turn, most cases, it just ends up being a bad cartridge. So it's a single handle shower faucet, right? It goes from hot to cold. There's no more of the individual handles to adjust the temperature. So what's going on is that they're getting nothing but hot water. Now I verified this. I was able to open it up barely at the lowest settings of the cold side, and it's still coming out like lukewarm. So there's definitely some type of mixing issue in it. So for anybody that has a single handle shower valve, they're going to have most common two screws. They're going to be Phillips screwdriver. There's also what's called a set screw that goes right under here. And that's most likely an Allen wrench. So you'll just need two tools to take this off to look at it. Allen wrench and Phillips screwdriver. So that's what when you take this off, it'll take this whole trim off. I can pop it open, look at the cartridge. So we got the handle off. Next thing I'm gonna do is another Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so we got the handle off. Handle's right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this black piece right here. This is just to set it in place. So we'll just take it off right here. Okay, so we got the screw out. Let's take off just like this. And if you notice, it's got a notch right here on this white plastic piece, and then a notch, kind of a notch right here in this black plastic piece. So it'll stop it. That's how you know you got it installed correctly. So I just tried to check if this cartridge, whoever put this cartridge in before I pull this off, if they put the cartridge in correctly, but it's put in right. You're at the top, you're gonna have hot and cold. It would have been at the bottom if it was put in incorrectly, but in this case it was installed. So it could just be a bad mixing issue, which is due to the cartridge being bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try taking out the cartridge, putting a new one in. If that doesn't work, then we'll just go from there. All right, so that's about it for today's episode. Wanted to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. We're gonna get this lady rocking and rolling. Click share, click follow. Thanks.